Okay, hello guys. This tutorial is about how I do UV unwrapping usually and using Rizom UV. Okay, this is my object. It's an office chair. I will double click it. It's OBJ file. It's an office chair. I'm not gonna do UV map or UV unwrap the whole object, just some part. Just the purpose of this tutorial is about just to show you my workflow by using software like Rizom UV. I'm not gonna UV unwrap the whole thing. Okay, I will go here, Rizom UV. I'm gonna import this guy here. Load with UV, and you will locate on desktop of this chair. Okay, seems like it's already UV unwrapped. Okay, upload again. Okay, I loaded without UV. Okay, because this project was already unwrapped, so you should choose this one, load. Okay, for navigation I use alt. You can use alt and click for navigation, and for alt middle mouse button for pan, and alt right click for zoom. Okay, alt middle mouse for pan, alt right click for zoom, alt left click for navigation or rotation or something like that. Okay, and we can use F1. We'll go to vertex mode, F2 for edge mode, F3 for polygon mode, and F4 for shell mode. Shell, yeah, this is shell. Island mode, yeah, okay. I will choose, for example, this one. Okay. Or this one. I can use my scroll button, or hit F to frame, A for frame the whole, F for the frame for the selection, it will frame, and I will hit isolate, or you can use I, it will isolate. Okay, and here navigation of this area, 2D area or UV area, it's alt middle mouse for pan, alt middle mouse, and alt right click for zoom, middle mouse, alt middle mouse for pan, alt right click for zoom. Okay, and for moving this UV you can use space bar middle mouse for moving, space bar middle mouse, and a space bar left click, it will scale. Okay, space bar click or left click, it will scale, and a space bar right click, it will rotate. Space bar right click. Okay, what else? Okay, so I will hit F2. I will go to vertex mode, sorry, edge mode, and I will start cutting. For example, I will use, okay, you can go here, you can choose, click in this area, click in the 3D area and hit E, it will full screen. Hit A. Okay, we are in edge mode. Okay, I will double click this area and I will click C for cut. Okay, I will double click this area, I will hit C. Okay, and double click this area, C for cut. Double click C, double click C, double click C, and I will choose something like this area, and you can use, if you want to have more selection, multiple selection, click and control double click, control click, control double click and control click. Okay, and I will hit C, and here I will hit E, and I will hit F4, go to the island mode, or yeah, island mode, and I will select all, and I will hit the button U, or this one hotkey, unfold. U for unfold, and P, I will hit the P key for unpack. Yeah, this is the unpack. I will click this area and I will hit the button E to full screen, and this is the UV unwrap that Rizom UV did it. Okay, and another thing that usually I use, okay, I will go to edge mode. I can straighten this circle. For example, I will click this area, okay, and I will hit this button, constraint edge, and I will double click this area again, constraint edge, or Alt T, and I will double click this area. I will use this one, constraint edge vertically, double click this area, constraint edge vertically, or Alt V. Okay, and I will hit F4 to go to island mode. I will click this and I will use unfold key, or U, it will unfold, it will string. Very nice. And space, middle mouse button here. Okay, I will do it on this one. Hit F2, double click this guy, double click this guy, double click this one, double click this one, and go here and click this one. Hit U and P. Yeah, you can select all of these guys and hit P. Hit E. Yeah, if you want to show all the objects, hit Y, or show button, or Y key on the keyboard. Hit A. Here, hit A. Yeah, and what else? I'll select this one. Okay, what else, another thing that you might like to use. Okay, this one and this one. Okay, I will hit E. Okay, just an example. I'll go in edge mode. I will double click this area and you will notice. Okay, F4, click this one, space middle mouse button, F2. Okay, yeah, this one is was connected to this area. If you want to connect this one to this one, you can use double click the edge, go to the edge mode and click weld. It will weld automatically. Ctrl Z, I will one more time, or I will click this area and hit weld, W. Yeah. Okay, and you can use this one, click this one and hit U. Okay, and we can strengthen. Go to F2, double click, hit this one, double click, hit this one, double click this one, double click this one, and go F4, select and hit U and P for pack. Very nice. And another thing that I want to mention is when you are done, you can simply just click save. It will save on top of this OBJ file with the UV that you did. Okay, save. Okay, and for example, if you are done and you want to continue for the next UV unwrapping, this time you should, for the first time if you want to load, you will choose to load option, and for the second time or the third time if you want to continue UV unwrapping, this time you should use load with UV. Okay, otherwise you will lose your UV. Double click. Yeah, you have the UV here. Yeah, you have the UV unwrap we just did here. But if you use load, you choose load, it will just load with no UV. By default, UV unwrap from front with camera view. Yeah. Okay guys, that's it. This is all the tools and button and all the command usually I use in my daily basis for UV unwrapping in Rizom UV. Very simple. I don't think 3D Studio Max or Maya or even Blender it has this kind of feature. It's very easy to use and it will unwrap very nicely, and Rizom UV, it makes UV unwrap very enjoyable. Yeah. Okay, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next tutorial and see you soon.